my eyes, and there was no warning as it took me by surprise, as it hit me like an act of God, causing my alarm that I had not become myself apart. Still had legs and arms, yes, I still had legs and arms. Today was supposed to be the day molecules decide to change their form. Laws of physics lose their sway, and youthful indiscretion now is suddenly the norm. Oh, with the good kids sprouting horns, yeah, yeah. And today was supposed to be just another day. Today was supposed to be just another day. Was supposed to be today. Was supposed to be opposite day. Those that can't quite function in society at large, they're going to wake up on this morning and find that they're in charge. While those who were all set up for, who are really doing quite well, they're going to wake up in institutions, in prison or in hell, in prison or in hell. And today was supposed to be the day molecules decide to change the form. Laws of physics lose this way, and youthful indiscretion now is suddenly the norm. With the good kids spouting horns, yeah, yeah. And today was supposed to be just another day. Today was supposed to be just another day. No, today was supposed to be just another day. Today was supposed to be just another day. Was supposed to be today. Was supposed to be opposite day. But if you think there's something else, well, you're right, there is. There's something else. But if you think I'm gonna tell you, think again. Why should I even think of telling you what there is? Yeah, 'cause silence is knowledge, and knowledge is power. I'm on the explicit orders to dare not speak its name. Listen up, I just work here. Oh, I dare not speak its name. I can't keep talking about it. Whoa, I dare not speak his name.